Hi and welcome to another lesson from Getting Started with WordPress, a free online course by The Clickstarter. In this lesson, we'll learn about keeping your website updated and secure from hackers. Use this video as a guide and follow along on your own WordPress site. If you don't have a WordPress site yet, visit this link to find out how we will create one for you absolutely free. In the beginning of this course, we learned that WordPress is software. Just like software, new versions are released to add new features and fix holes in the older versions. And just like software, WordPress is vulnerable to viruses and hackers. Getting hacked or infected by viruses is not only a big hassle, it also puts off visitors from your site. Owning a WordPress website is a bit like owning a car. You need to get it tuned up regularly. The important point is that you are responsible for the regular maintenance and security of WordPress. Luckily, maintaining WordPress is much easier than maintaining a car, and it costs nothing too. The most important thing that we can do as regular maintenance for WordPress is to upgrade WordPress and any plugins and themes when new versions become available. These updates will fix bugs and security holes that hackers and viruses may exploit. When there are updates of plugins or themes available, WordPress will notify us with a badge in the Updates menu item and in the admin bar. Plugin updates also give you an extra badge on the Plugins menu item here. And when an update for WordPress is available, WordPress will put a big yellow alert on the top of the admin screens to get our attention. Clicking on the update link will bring us to the updates page. Here WordPress shows us all the things on the site that require updates. Let's do WordPress first. Updating WordPress is as simple as clicking the Update Automatically button. WordPress now downloads the latest version of the software and installs itself on the server. And just like that, the update is complete and we are now at the latest version of WordPress. To upgrade plugins and themes, simply select the ones you want to upgrade and click Update. Again, WordPress does its thing and updates the plugins or themes automatically. With such a simple update mechanism, there's no excuse not to do regular maintenance for WordPress. Making it a habit to spend the 2 minutes updating your site will save you hours of headaches if it ever does get hacked. Using some common sense will also go a long way to ensure your website's security. First, be sure to use strong passwords. Your user account password should have a mix of letters and numbers, and change your password every 6 months at the least. You can change your user password by clicking on your username in the upper right. This brings you to the user profile page. Change your password here. Don't use admin as a username. Admin is the default username and everyone knows that. Using admin as the username is like having a backdoor to your house that every thief knows about. If you have already created an account named admin, add a new user with the role of administrator, then log in with that user and delete the admin user account. Another bit of common sense is not to install themes and plugins from untrustworthy sources. I bet your mom used to tell you not to take candy from strangers. Well, this is pretty much the same thing. Here's an article of a study that found spam links and other malicious code in themes downloaded from websites offering free WordPress themes. Hackers may take advantage of such themes and plugins to hijack your website and use it to spam visitors and other websites, and to steal user information. When search engines detect spam links or malicious code on your website, they will show visitors a warning message. This will not only deter visitors, it will also hurt your search rankings. Remember, you should only download themes and plugins from the official WordPress directory and directly from developers, not file sharing and directory websites. There are also a few plugins which we can install to increase the security of our website. As usual, we can download and install these plugins from the Add Plugins page in the WordPress admin. The first is called Login Lockdown. This is a plugin that blocks login attempts after a certain number of failed logins. Login Lockdown is a great way to make it more difficult for hackers trying to guess user account passwords. The second plugin that I would recommend is called Secure WordPress. It works by hiding certain WordPress information, that a hacker may use as clues to break in. We can go ahead and check all of these boxes and save the changes. Finally, another plugin I would recommend is the Bayfern Backup plugin. It doesn't help to improve your website security, but it will be a lifesaver if your website ever gets hacked. When you first install the plugin, go to the backup settings to enable schedule backups. Next, go to Schedule New Backup to set a schedule for automatic backups. Now you have the peace of mind that if something goes wrong, you'll have a backup. If you follow the steps above and are hosted on Bluehost, you will be pretty secure. For the more technical among you, I have included additional steps to take in the lesson notes. I hope you found this lesson useful. We provide additional content and a support forum to registered members of click2launch.net. Sign up for a free membership by visiting this link.